this is a pretty simple rundown, turn around and run a 9-volt battery to the injector wires, pretty much. There's 2 plugs coming out the injector, run wires to them. I used females, just regular crimp connectors, slid them in there, and the injector's open. Turn around, take the brake clean, and blast it backwards through the injector. Go back and forth from the intake to the squirter side and just kind of blow it out. Make sure it's all clean. Injector will clean out. You'll get a bunch of stuff blown out of it, and it should run a lot better. Basic, simple, easy way to clean an injector. Just takes a 9-volt battery. We're going to have a test ride of this thing afterwards. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Comments are always appreciated. Let me know what you think. Cleaning injectors is not really that hard. Just takes a 9-volt battery. Do not run 12 volts to these things. Spray it out, tap it out, put it back in. Pretty simple process. As you can see, we're going on both sides of it, just going back and forth, blowing all the crud out of it. Unplug them, we're all done.